Kelly and kellyhawkins.info. And it is still Sunday the 15th. I decided to do an extra broadcast today from the video because I started thinking about really showing you how easy it is to make a Weebly website. And it's one of the most popular sites there are. And I was going to go ahead and do that for you right online as you're watching. If I can, okay. I created a Gmail for it. And let's see. Oh yeah, Weebly. Okay, so here's the Weebly. Oh, I'm already logged in. Let me log out. Well, I can show you a few things. Like, I'll show you the stats. So according to this, I've gotten 16 hits on my site today. July 12th was a big one with 32. 45 on the June 17th and 18th. But let me go ahead and... Well, let me edit site and I can show you a few other things before I log out. See, this is my site. So when you're editing, it shows you your page, what you're editing, and then it shows you all these selections up here on the top. But let's go ahead and create a brand new one. So, let's see what happens if I close that. Okay, and log out. Okay, my full name is Kelly Hawkins. Email is the one I created for here at Gmail. Okay, now it asks, does the CAPTCHA. So that's how you create the Weebly account. Pretty easy. I should actually plug my laptop in. Okay, a title for my website. There we go. What kind of site is it? I'm going to say it's personal. Now it'll try to sell you a website. And this is where I used my domain from GoDaddy. I used this one for my other sites. And then it'll show you how to configure GoDaddy to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and use the subdomain. Well, Kelly Hawkins by itself is available. I know, go ahead and use that. And oops, my little thing here is in the way. Minimize. Oh, there we go. Okay. Taken. F you taken. Said it was available. Well, this is available. If I wait long enough, do you think it'll be taken too? No, I don't think that's what happened. I think I used it before. It was just slow. Okay, continue. Okay, so this is my new. Give me an. And this is what it looks like, brand new. Now, instead of doing what it says drag one of these elements to your page, I'm going to go ahead and find a design. They have so many designs to choose from. I'll just find one for the show. Let's see the new ones. I think there's a way to find new ones, right? Most recent, here we go. And let's find a design. Oh, I forgot to get a picture. Oh well. Let me, while I'm here, save a picture to my desktop. Let's go Google. So I'll have some. And that's pretty. Ooh, that's even prettier than all those different flowers. This way I'll just be able to show you how to upload a picture. Let's put it right on my desktop. Okay. Wait, I think there was one. Yeah, I think I like this one. That's pretty. So let's go ahead and preview the theme. Now, if I had started adding elements to it already, that's one of the best things about Weebly. It would have shown how what I added would look like to the site. It would preview it with my content. And let me go ahead and use this one because I like that. And I can change my text, or I can make it a logo. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Page is empty. Drag elements here. So let's say I want to edit this picture. And I want to use... I want to add text, like I did for mine. I can do it any font. It's pretty. I can make it larger. See, it's really easy. There we go. I'll call it Kelly. Oops. And I can change the color. It's not enough contrast. Or I can do HTML code. And I'll use the HTML code for dark magenta. Okay. And I can make it glow. Ooh. I'll change the color of my glow. I don't like the color. I can make it glow that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay. And let's save that as the default header, so it'll be on all the pages. Hey, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Now let's say I want to do something like, go back to elements over here. paragraph for the picture. Let me put that there. And the edit picture is really, really simple. Just put that there. From my computer, from my desktop. And it'll upload. There we go. Now, we can do it so that when it goes to a larger image, when you click, that's highlighted, you can resize it. Like that. And since I chose the paragraph with picture, I can put a paragraph right there. Like, here's the title. So, I don't know exactly what to say. And click there. Now, of course, I can always change the font to match if I wanted to. Change color, bold. I think I can. There's probably a way to do it, but I'm not going to worry about it. Because I'm going to show you how easy it is, and I'm not going to do a bunch of things to make it look difficult. Okay, and that. No, I'm pretty sure I can change the size. Yep, there we go. Bolted list. And I can take that, I can turn that into a link. And that will be Weebly. Let me just go ahead and choose to open it in a new window. So now it's a link. And I already have that down there. When it says remove, that just takes you to a page to pay for the site, and you don't have to. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's add another page. Okay, so pages, add a page. Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Let's delete that. So I wanted to add a blog, because that's what I always do. And I'm going to name this blog YouTube videos. Okay. Let's save. So I can go right there to the YouTube videos. It's running very slow right now. Am I in there? Oh yeah, I'm already in there. That's why it's going so slow. Okay, right there. Now I can do this. This is about Kelly, or whatever. Or, I can go ahead and just exit, delete that. If I don't want that. There's like sidebar things here that I could put in. I could put in a picture, whatever. I ain't worried about it. But let me go ahead and make a new post. Showing how... Well, actually, Instead, I'm going to do, because I wanted to post money as debt. Right there. That's why I have this opened. Let me just do full. That looks nice. So I can show you how to do a YouTube. And share. Grab that. I'm right-clicking and copying, which you probably already know how to do anyways. So what you do is you take this from up here, you take what you want, and then you drag it down there like that. Now, it automatically defaults to Lost by John Locke, speed painting. And so you go here, and you put that in there, and there. There's your video. And then you can publish it live. Now sometimes if it's like finicky, it won't save your updates, and then like the video for John Locke will be on your website. I've seen him on people's websites before I even started using Weebly. I'm like, what the hell were they doing? But now I know how it happened. Okay, so that should be nice. And now I can make a new post. Actually, let's post, yeah, well, I might as well do stuff while I'm doing it, right? Let's post boost change. And go here. Oops, wrong one. Oh, see, I got an email. Oops. Gotta watch those typos. There we go. And then we can share like that. Copy the link. Drag this down there. Click on that. And that brings up the screen, the menu. And then you put the video, click somewhere else on the page. And there it is. Now you can go ahead and publish. I'm not sure my site's published. There's a chance it could be. So I got a few things in here. And that's how I make my blog every day. Very simple. I know it looks like I'm doing amazing things. I'm like amazed at how easy they make it. So I can always go home. Like that. To edit this. And then I want to go ahead and type in here. I can type more. Oops, I did a typo. See, this is what's a little bit... It has that menu pop up and it makes it kind of gets in the way. That can happen sometimes. That's kind of annoying. Okay. And then I can... I don't know, there's so much you can do on here. I don't do that much. You know, I don't like that on there, up there, so let me go ahead and remove that. Yeah. Let's see what else. Is there anything else? I can make another page. See, I can add another blog, so I can do other things, or I can add another page. I'll add a new page. And this page will be, actually, so let me change the name of that. So just click in there to change the name. And this is going to be YouTube movies. Oh wait, you know, I'm going to change something on here. I want to make sure I add this. See, now that automatically, when you type in a website, that automatically defaults to a clickable link. Oops. Yeah, okay, that worked. It gave me an error, but it worked. Now, things like video, you can upload your own videos, but you have to be, that's not the free site. And I always use the free site, because you know what? This little tag right there is not that intrusive. It doesn't bother me at all. So, okay, and so let's go ahead and edit this one now. Oops. See how to change the name. I guess I'll do it from pages. So I change the name. I'm not really sure what I want to put on here. But I could always do anything, really. I never can think of content. That's always been my problems with making websites. Like, I made websites back in the 90s, seriously. Adding the content was always the most difficult thing. Yeah, let me see if I can find one of my old sites. I still don't know. Let me go ahead and Google. Oh yeah, here we go. Made a celebrity page about an old friend of mine. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Yeah. It's kind of annoying. Let's see if I can take that out. It'll get rid of the frames. So I really didn't know what I was doing. See? So let me go ahead and copy that. And I'll put it on my home. Oopsies. What am I doing? Oh, I'm in the wrong thing. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's take out the, yeah, the slash. So here's my first page. I mean, nice. No, this was difficult. Had to like do all this HTML coding crap. And my page has been visited 345 times. That's not too unbelievable. But there we go. I don't know if you can see it at the top, but I did a bunch of alt codes. Messing around. Back in the day. I don't even know what year I did this. Probably says somewhere, right? Yeah, I think I can tell. I think like on page 3. No. Page 2? Yeah. Isn't that cool? I'm very proud of my stuff. Page 1, maybe? Yeah, here we go. My guest book. Oh no! Screw them! They took away my guest book. I was gonna go in my guest book and see what the first person that said anything was, and then I'd know what year I made this. I'm thinking 97, but it was probably more like 95. It could have been 97, I don't know. Screw them, that sucks. That pisses me off. I guess nobody can view my guest book. Oh well. That is a serious upsettingness. Because I had people's not phone numbers, but emails in there. Oh well. So, okay, I was going to make this third site, and I was going to rename it by going to Pages, and then Untitled, Home. I don't like that name. Okay, Untitled. I don't like the name Untitled, definitely. So what should I name that to? Name it to flowers. I know, gardening. No, I don't know. Gosh. Content. Okay, and now I can change the layout like that. Let me see how that looks. Never done that before, so let's see. Wonder why it's taking so long to load. And I can edit it that way. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this isn't as good. So let's go back here. And pages. Let's do the regular old page. Now edit page. Let's see, those are the different designs. I don't know what that means, but I'll do it. Oh, cool! And you can even hide sites from search engines. Never done that before. Oh well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'll just do I'll just write my name everywhere. So I want to be found in Google. Okay, I guess that's good. Now, kind of at a loss. So I decided I don't want this page. So what I can do is go back up to pages and delete page. Oops. See, are there any other movies I want to show people? Maybe there's something over here. Yeah, how about the one on Bohemian Grove? Hopefully I can find the full one. Yep, here we go. Let's go ahead and share that. New post. Oops. Typing mistake. And you click outside. So it'll show up. And I like to give it a few minutes just to like, so it doesn't go back to the default thing. I'm losing my battery. I'm going to get a nasty message here saying I'm out of battery. Okay, so publish. So now I'm going to make it published. Website published, alright. So now let's look and see if it is. What was it? I didn't really notice. Yeah, here it is. Because you do things so fast, you don't notice. You know? Which is actually an advantage. That people who don't think as fast and don't do things as fast have over people who do things very fast. Is because they're a lot more careful. Yep, so this is it. Here's my site. It's all live. Okay. So now so now everybody who wants to make a site, don't be intimidated. You can make a very nice site easily. And there's like always all these tutorials on here, just like Weebly tutorial. And that's kind of another way to learn how to do things, is looking up tutorials. I do that quite a bit when I don't know how to do something. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Just wake up with Kelly Hawkins. Wake up.